Hello everyone and welcome to my Hip Hop Gossip For You channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. To stop character assassination, Diddy's legal team is demanding a gag order. The start of Diddy's trial is set for May 2025. He is still detained pending the outcome of his bail petition. Sean Diddy Combs asked for a gag order to prevent the lawyers for his alleged victims from discussing his criminal case. According to court documents all hip-hop was able to get, the imprisoned mogul's attorneys want to avoid further prejudicing his right to a fair trial. His defenders contended, as the court is aware, Mr. Combs has been the subject of an endless stream of allegations by prospective witnesses and their counsel in the press. These potential witnesses and their solicitors have made a number of divisive extrajudicial remarks meant to damage Mr. Combs' reputation in the media. In addition to offering their opinions on the possible evidence, witnesses' attorneys have attested to the legitimacy and moral fiber of their clients. Other attorneys were accused by Diddy's legal team of making shockingly prejudicial and false allegations about child abuse and sexual assault. His lawyers asked for an answer by October 30th and urgently requested a judge's assistance. Diddy's attorney claimed these lawyers have done the government's work for them, vouching for the government and commenting on the strength of the government's case repeatedly. By their own admission, these solicitors are in contact with the authorities regarding possible witness behavior from their clients. According to Local Rule 23.1, these solicitors are not allowed to speak as witnesses' counsel in this matter. Furthermore, this court should use its discretion to issue an order compelling all prospective witnesses and their solicitors to abstain from making extrajudicial statements that have a substantial likelihood of interfering with Mr. Combs' trial or otherwise impairing the proper administration of justice. Because these statements clearly threaten his right to a fair trial and there are no other remedies available, Diddy requested that the attorneys representing his claimed victims take down any internet posts that contained the accusations. He requested that prosecutors reveal whether they ordered or approved extrajudicial statements. The founder of Bad Boy Records is awaiting trial on allegations of sex trafficking, racketeering conspiracy, and transportation to engage in prostitution. He insists he is innocent. According to a new lawsuit, Diddy allegedly drugged a 13-year-old who had been raped as two celebrities looked on. While a female celebrity looked on, Diddy and an unidentified celebrity are accused of raping a 13-year-old girl at a VMAs after-party. According to reports, an accuser has filed a lawsuit against Sean Diddy Combs, alleging that the head of Bad Boy Records drugged and sexually assaulted her at a party when she was just 13 years old. According to court documents obtained by the Mirror US, Tony Busby filed one of 7 lawsuits on Sunday night, alleging that the attack occurred at an after-party Diddy held for the MTV Video Music Awards. According to the lawsuit, the teenager showed up for the VMAs at Radio City Music Hall in New York City without a ticket. She was determined to attend the event, though, and started chatting with limo drivers, including one who was Diddy's employee. She fit what Diddy was looking for, the driver allegedly informed her, adding that the tycoon liked younger girls. He also instructed her to come back at 10 p.m., when he would transport her to the after-party. According to the complaint, plaintiff observed widespread drug use, including marijuana and cocaine. The plaintiff accepted a reddish-yellow beverage that tasted like cranberry juice, orange juice, and a bitter substance. The accuser says she felt woozy and lightheaded after drinking the wine and went into what she thought was an empty bedroom to lie down for a while. The door was not locked by her. "You are ready to party," Diddy aggressively approached plaintiff with a crazed look in his eyes, grabbed her, and said, according to the complaint, which went on to say that Diddy entered the room shortly after along with a male and female celebrity. Diddy allegedly threw the girl at the male celebrity, known in the docs as Celebrity A, who removed plaintiff's clothes as she grew more and more disoriented, according to the girl. The lawsuit claims that Celebrity A held down the claimed victim while Combs and Celebrity B, a woman, watched as she vaginally raped her. The complaint went on to say that Combs sexually assaulted plaintiff vaginally in front of Celebrity A and Celebrity B after the male celebrity had finished. Combs tried to make plaintiff have oral sex with him, but she refused by striking him in the neck, which caused him to stop. According to the girl, she stripped off and went about the house looking for a way out. She says she didn't dress till she was outside the house. The petition said plaintiff eventually arrived at a petrol station. A female employee saw that she was upset and gave her permission to use the phone. The plaintiff contacted her father, acknowledged lying about where she was, and requested that he come get her. The accused individual went into a deep depression that still affects every aspect of her life. Over 150 clients are allegedly being represented by Busby's legal business in their lawsuit against the head of Bad Boy Records. According to the lawsuit, the claimed victim says she was requested to sign a non-disclosure agreement when she arrived at the party but never got a copy. The accusations were refuted by Diddy's attorneys. They stated last week that the press conference and 1-800 number that preceded today's barrage of filings were clear attempts to garner publicity. The facts, their legal defenses, and the fairness of the legal system are all completely trusted by Mr. Combs and his legal team. The facts will stand up in court. Mr. Combs has never sexually abused an adult or child, a man or a woman. In September, Diddy received an indictment for conspiring to commit racketeering, trafficking in sex, and transporting people to engage in prostitution. His trial is scheduled to start in May 2025, but he disputes the accusations and is still being held in jail. On November 4th, an appeals court will hear arguments on his bail request. 50 Cent explains why he called out Diddy over alleged abuse. Reiterating that he has been speaking out against Diddy for more than 10 years, 50 Cent is maintaining his position. 50 Cent, who has long been a thorn in Sean Diddy Combs' side, feels that he had good reason to criticize the bad boy boss before the latter was charged in September with racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution. After Cassie Ventura filed her shocking lawsuit against Diddy, which led to the federal indictment and a barrage of accusations from several accusers, the G-Unit mogul has been on Diddy's neck for decades. 50 Cent, however, justified his behavior, stating that he had previously called out Diddy. He told people, "Look, it looks like I'm doing some really crazy things, but I haven't. I'm just expressing what I've been saying for the past 10 years." In addition,